Today on Lily's Sizzling, we are going to be making bird nest soup. We had found this quite lovely specimen of a bird's nest with an egg inside of it. Oh, who needs that? Okay, so we're going to use this bird's nest and we're going to make chicken wonton soup. So we're going to have a cup of water.
It's the most complex episode to date.
Yep. And some wonton soup. This is for all of you lazy people out there in Sizzle-tastic land who don't know how to cook. Just get yourself an old can of Campbell's soup here. You just pour it in like so, and maybe if you want to make it fancy, add a little bit of pepper. And then you turn it on, and you can use your soup spoon here, and you'll heat it up real fast like that. So there's your wonton soup. And we're going to pour it into this bird's nest. So we have this lovely little Pyrex bowl here that we're going to stick right here into this bird's nest that we are going to be making bird's nest soup.
I mean, this thing's perfect.
It's a beautiful specimen.
It's a beautiful specimen. So anyway, Ms. Lily has deemed it. She's going to make the soup. I'm playing here right now. This is Campbell's chicken wonton, and there's one can of water. Eat his pie. Okay. Now, I like this because this is you've heard of surf and turf, right? Okay, that's a fish and a steer, but this is bird and bird. You know, we got chicken and we got a bird's nest. All right, this bird and bird, which is
what you heard?
bird. The bird is a word. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, when Miss Lily gets this heated up, she's gonna serve us some bird's nest soup. And I tell you what, this is going to taste good.
So we're going to serve up our bird's nest soup. That sure looks tasty. Oh, yummy. You know, the irony here is that we are serving chicken inside of a chicken nest, bird inside of a bird's nest.
That looks sizzle-tastic.
That's like some type of weird form of cannibalism or something there. So there's our bird's nest soup, appropriate enough for any rooster to want to come roost and eat. Who wants to taste?
Cuban beat. I'm the king of the rumba beat. And I tell me the chick chick boom, chick chick boom, chick chick boom. I'm the queen of the dance too. And I did the chick chick boom, chick chick boom, chick chick boom. Oh! Very nice. So full of spice.
Chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
All the day long. At the beat. And then on the Cuban beat. I did the chick chick boom, chick chick boom, chick chick boom. Oh, so sorry. Rita.
Gotta dance while you're making your chicken soup. Gotta go
This
chick
is
chicky
bird.
boom.
No, this is bird's nest soup. Okay,
Bird's nest soup.
Yeah. But you made it for me, little. This is bird's nest right here. Pour it in that bird's nest right there. That's styling bird's nest right there.
There you go. Some bird's nest soup, sir.
That's super bird's nest right there, man. We got Cuban Asian fusion here, man. Oh, it's sweet. Go ahead. I'm the king of the Latin street. And I'm doing chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick boom boom. Yeah.
If you don't want to be eating bird's nest soup, you better learn to cook on Lily's Sizzling on youtube.com/Lily's Sizzling.
Chick chicky boom, boom. Oh. Whoa.
So barricade ain't great again unless you are having real sizzle-tastic food.
Oh man, that bird's nest really adds the flavor to it.
It does?
Yeah, it's working.
Is it a little crunchy maybe? I had to get that pesky egg out of I threw the egg in the sink. Goddamn bird laid an egg.
Alright, now we got a corroboration with T-Bone and Lily Sizzling right here, man. Here we go, man. I love you guys. You never seen nothing like this, I guarantee you.
Right?